I've just finished recording the installation video and Premiere isn't working. It's lagging and it's not letting me do anything. So, since I can't edit this video, let's go shoot another. So let's go take a look at the new lights I got. We'll unpackage them, open them up, show you guys, and then we'll start the whole process. So there they are right there, the smoked taillights. Super clean. I love these. I love the way they look. I can't wait to see them on the car. These just look really good. I love them. Let's go get that other one. There's that second one. So nice. Comes with the bulbs and everything. Perfect. Even came with these. I don't know where they go, but we'll figure it out. Look nice. Next, let's get those headlights out. I got the smiley ones, so let's open them up and check them out. Here they are. Wow. These look really, really good. I love this. I love that. Can't wait to put these on. This is gonna look so sick. Here's the back side. But we like to see this side. Now that you got a good look at them, let's open up the second ones. Let's take the car cover off and let's get right into it. All right, so first thing you want to do is take this thing off. Just spin the wheel. There you go. Take that off. Couldn't do this with one hand, but this was in here. You just pull that out, simple. Take that off. Put that over there. And next we gotta unscrew these right here. If you can see that right there. There's a couple of them going around. If y'all could see that, there's 3 more right there. So let's take those off. There's also one down here, so we want to make sure not to forget this one down here. So there we go, easy as that. We got this one off. Very simple stuff. Now let's go get that new one. All right, we got the new one here. We got the light bulbs right there. There should be 10 of them, 5 for each one. So next thing you want to do is you want to take all these off, which just by turning them, twist it real quick. And there you go, took that off, and then we're gonna get those lights and we're gonna put them right here. What I'm thinking right now is that it's clear light, or no, that this one is the orange light. These 3 are gonna be clear, and this is the small clear one. So I'm gonna try that, and then we'll see what happens. So as you can see that it should just twist right in. So you turn it a little bit and it'll come out. You push that in and turn, and it should stay. Next thing, you just put it back in there and twist it on. It's easy as that. So I just did that first one, and now I'm just gonna do the rest of the other ones and show you guys when I'm putting it back on. Also, make sure before you put this on to actually put the light on first and screw it on, and then you connect this from the inside. So let's put on the light now. We're back. My camera ended up dying, so I'm sorry about that, but we pretty much finished the whole thing. Got this side done. While my camera died, I did the other side. So let me show you everything else that needed to be done. All right, so we left off on screwing these back on, which I already did that, and we're done with that. And then the last thing we need to do is connect these two. And so yeah, it's just simple as that. There was this one connected to this, and then there's this one right here. And you just connect that in right there, and you're good to go. That's it. And then pretty much do the same thing on the other side, and you'll be fine. So as y'all could see right there, we got this whole side done, and like I said, it's the same as this side, so should be very simple, very simple. Now let's take a look. That's how the taillights look now. I feel like they look so much better. So much better. I like how it's smoked up top and then it's just all red. It's like half and half, it's perfect. Like I said, we tested out these lights and they work and everything, so yeah, I mean, they look amazing. We got the taillights done. Now we just need the smileys. Let's go get the headlights. So first thing you guys want to do is you want to take these little clips off right here. All you do is twist and just kind of wiggle them out. Boom. Get that second one. There you go. It's gonna be these two things right here. And then once you take those off, this should easily come off. Put that to the side. And then make sure you don't lose these, so you want to put these somewhere where they won't fall. So that's it from this side. Now we're gonna go to the front. So now we're right here on the front side, and first thing you want to do is you want to take off your grills. Really easy, you just get a screwdriver and unscrew this right here. You got one right here. So you'll have one screw right there, and then you'll have the second one right here on the bottom down here. And then you just unscrew that. And then you're gonna wanna come back up here and just take these clamps off. There's gonna be one right there and one right there that I already took off. Take those clamps off and then we'll get the grills off. Okay, so now that we got the grills off, there's gonna be 3 screws that you gotta take off. There's gonna be one right there. Not sure if you can see it. Not that small one, but there's a bigger one in there. That's the one I'm talking about right there. If I get that focus. I can't really, but it's that screw right there. This one right here. And there's gonna be another one right there. So you just unscrew those 3 and then this should come right off. And there you go, simple as that. You got those 3 screws off and then this should come right off. Just like that. And also don't forget on the back right here to just take those off because you got to. And then so here we got the smileys. We'll put these in there. It's kind of weird, but you just kind of gotta push it in there and then line it up with the 3 screws that I told you to take off, which we got right here. Just put it in there, start spinning it. There you go, just do that for all 3. And so there you go, we got the smileys on. Next thing to do, put on the grills just with the 2 screws and you're good to go. And there you go, that's how it looks right there. I did this side right here, and I did this side the other day, but yeah, it's the same thing. Like everything that I showed you guys to do on this side, you just do it on that side and you'll be fine. Next we're gonna figure out the wiring because the connections are not the same, but I suck at wiring, so I'm gonna wait for my dad to come through and then he'll help me out and we'll try to figure it out. I'll show you guys how it is, and yeah, it's pretty much it. But for right now, I mean, it looks really nice. I love how these look. They look so sick. Way better than just the regular ones. These look nice. Makes the front look a lot better. It's just those small details, you know? All right, y'all, so it's kind of tough. I showed my dad the wiring that it came with, and it just looks like, it looks weird. It looks like, I don't know, maybe you can do it with just what they gave us, but it's just complicated. So I'm not gonna wire it right now. I'll show you guys how it looks and everything. I'm not gonna wire it right now though, but let me go get the wires. All right, so if you could see right here, this connected to the old lights. So just kind of connect right here and that's it. It would be good, but that's blocked off and it has that connection right there. If you could see that, it's not really, there you go, it's focused. And the wire that it came with was just this. So it's this one, and at the other end it has these 2, and just another wire that's loose. So also from the depot lights came this connector, but same thing. I thought this maybe fits in there, but it doesn't even fit in any of those 2. So Yeah, it's kind of weird. So yeah, after looking on the forums for a while, I couldn't really find much. I found like some things that maybe could help. Like I need something, some new, I don't even know what they are, but I need something else other than just this. But then I also read other ones that you could just do it with this. I don't know, it's a little complicated, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna keep reading on it, reading online, and just figure it out. But yeah, so I won't be showing you guys how to wire them in this video. If I figure it out, or if you guys know how, just comment down below and that'll help me out, and maybe even I'll make a video on it to help other people. But yeah, I thought it was just gonna be like plug and play, and it's not. So got a little complicated, and I just don't want to wait too long to release the video. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys some B-roll, and that's it. We'll end off the video there. How do y'all feel about them? Do they look better? I like how these look way better than the stock ones. Some people I know aren't fans of like the smoke tail lights, so just let me know how you feel about them. Comment down below, let me know how you feel. Like I said, the wiring, I'm gonna have to keep searching online and keep trying to figure out how to do it. Maybe I do have to buy a couple more things to wire them correctly, so when I figure it all out, I'll be doing that. And then if you guys want a video on that, then I'll post one up too. And yeah, like I said, if you guys know how to do it or know what I need, just comment down below too. Help me out, please. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, I think that's the end of the video. I think we're done. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, subscribe, like, comment, share. And yeah, hope y'all having a good day. Hope y'all having a good week. I know there's a lot of stuff going on right now, especially if you live in California. There's fires like crazy. It's like smoky outside right now. So yeah, just stay safe out there, y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.